Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create this amazing DIY gorgeous floral arch stand center piece. You do not want to miss out. Please stay tuned and watch how I assemble this beautiful masterpiece. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Comment your thoughts below and share this video with a friend. So, we are giving away 3 free Cricut machines to 3 of our contestants. If you want to be a part of our giveaway for a chance to win, go to elegantcreators.com/Cricut giveaway to apply. Let us know in the comment section if you have applied. Okay, now that I'm done bending my copper into a question mark, and remember, it doesn't have to be like a perfect question mark. As long as you could kind of bend it and do your best to shape it as a question mark, I think you'll be fine. One of the things I must say I like about this copper coil is the fact that it's easy to bend it, to mold it, and shape it to whatever you would like to do. And it's also strong enough to hold on to whatever weight you're about to apply to it. So I really like that about this bendable copper coil. Next, once you're done, to get your question mark to stand up straight on its own, I'm going to use this 3x8 small little coupling, copper coupling that you see here. I'm going to go ahead and glue it onto my plaque. Okay guys, I'm going to take the coupling where you see I have the wider opening. I'm going to go ahead and create a hole at the center of my plaque. And how I did that is by using a hammer and by using a power drill to create the circle onto the plaque. Now use whatever that you have that you can use to create the circle into the middle of your plaque. And once you're done creating your circle, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and just stick it through the wooden plaque. Use my hammer to hammer it down some more, and then use some more hot glue around it to make sure that it's stable into place. Once I'm done adding my pool noodles onto the metal copper with the zip tie, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of hot glue onto my coupling and use the bottom of my question mark to stick it right onto place. The reason why I'm using the hot glue is because I just want some stability. I want my piece to be able to be completely stable and lock into place where I would have that strong, durable centerpiece.